before diving into the fascinating story of the Airbus A350. Subscribe to the channel to follow exclusive content about aviation, technology, and the aircraft that transform global air transportation. The Airbus A350 was born in a context of fierce competition. In the early 2000s, Boeing already dominated the long-haul market with the 777 and advanced with the revolutionary 787 Dreamliner. Airbus, realizing the need to offer a competitive alternative, began studies to create a modern aircraft, efficient and capable of meeting new environmental demands. The first proposal was an updated version of the A330. But airlines were not convinced. They demanded something entirely new, with cutting-edge technology and superior fuel savings. Thus, the definitive project was born. The Airbus A350 XWB, short for Extra Wide Body, highlighting its wider and more comfortable fuselage. The A350 was conceived with a focus on innovation. Unlike its predecessors, the fuselage is made mostly of carbon fiber reinforced polymers, representing about 53% of the total structure. This material ensures lightness and strength, while reducing maintenance costs. The aerodynamic design of the A350 is also striking. Long, flexible wings with curvature that changes during flight to optimize performance. Inspired by nature, they resemble the wings of birds in motion. Every detail was designed to reduce fuel consumption, noise, and environmental impact, meeting the demands for efficiency and sustainability. Another essential pillar of the A350 is its propulsion system. Equipped with the modern Rolls-Royce Trent XWB engines, the aircraft achieves impressive levels of energy efficiency. The engines were developed exclusively for this model, offering 25% fuel savings compared to previous aircraft of similar size. In addition, they are quieter, meeting noise reduction standards in airports worldwide. The performance is remarkable. A range of up to 18,000 kilometers, allowing intercontinental flights without stopovers, connecting distant cities, such as Singapore to New York or Doha to Auckland. If the technical aspects are impressive, the passenger experience is no less remarkable. The A350 was designed with special attention to comfort. The wider fuselage allows spacious aisles and seats. The windows are larger, providing more natural light, and the cabin has an advanced pressurization system that reduces fatigue on long flights. LED lighting can simulate the day's cycle, helping to minimize jet lag. The quietness of the cabin is also a highlight. The A350 is considered one of the quietest aircraft in the world. The first prototype of the Airbus A350 took off on June 14, 2013, in Toulouse, France. The test flight lasted 4 hours and marked the beginning of an extensive testing campaign. Pilots and engineers evaluated performance, systems, and safety in various conditions. After thousands of hours of tests and adjustments, the aircraft received certification from the European Union Aviation Safety Agency, ESA, and the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, in 2014. Shortly thereafter, in January 2015, Qatar Airways carried out the first commercial flight with passengers, connecting Doha to Frankfurt. Since its debut, the A350 quickly gained ground. Airlines seeking efficiency, comfort, and long range adopted the model. Among them are Singapore Airlines, Cathay Pacific, Lufthansa, and LATAM. Versatility is one of the keys to its success. The aircraft can carry between 300 and 410 passengers, depending on the version, either the A350-900 or the A350-1000. The second version, larger, competes directly with the Boeing 777-300ER, offering extra capacity without losing efficiency. The Airbus A350 is not just a modern airplane, but a milestone in the industry's commitment to sustainability. Its reduced fuel consumption means lower CO2 emissions, aligning with global green aviation goals. Airbus also works on versions capable of operating with sustainable aviation fuels, SAF, further reducing environmental impact. Moreover, the manufacturer explores technologies that may one day allow the A350 to operate with hydrogen, a revolution that will definitively change air transport. In operation, the A350 has already proven its worth. Singapore Airlines uses on some of the world's longest routes, such as Singapore to New York, a flight lasting almost 19 hours nonstop. Qatar Airways has made the A350 a central part of its international fleet, highlighting the premium comfort offered in business class. LATAM, in turn, was a pioneer in Latin America by receiving units of the model, modernizing its long-haul operations. The impact of the A350 goes beyond efficiency. It redefines what it means to travel on long international flights. The Airbus A350 has established itself as a symbol of modern engineering, more than just a competitor to the Boeing 787 and 777. It has become a reference in comfort, technology, and sustainability. Its growing presence in skies shows that aviation is constantly evolving, seeking to balance economy, the environment, and passenger experience. The A350 is a decisive step in this journey, and its story is far from over.